This is a video, the 1995 Ford Ranger XLT. We're going to do a couple of functional tests here. One will be the cold start. There she is, ice cold. And our radio.
The next 6 weeks. Burrow, Lawrence. All right. Team quarterbacks. Lawrence is.
We did a four-wheel drive video, and we know that and showed that works and all the gears and the transmission. Let's take a look at the power windows. Power driver, power window, very nice. And the passenger side power window, equally as good. The rear slide window, here, let's take a look. And you can see very easily slides open and closed. Air conditioning is ice cold. Cigar lighter has never been used. Fog lamps, they work. Here's the truck's books. Oh, power door locks. Let's see what else we have. The power mirror. Cup holders. Beautiful upholstery. Let's take a peek at that headliner. There's the headliner. Sun visors, pull straps. There we have it. And there she is, running beautifully. 66,284 miles. And she runs great.